wonder if this is hydro or traction. I think someone's playing right now. This might have also been a Hudson. This is a service car? This might be hydraulic, let's see. I think it's traction. Pretty sure Chicago's playing right now. Cab view. This thing's not very exciting, but this is probably also a Hudson that got modernized. I don't know if this is a VIP access elevator, but I got back here. This runs like a hydro, but I really don't know. Can't tell. I'll have to look back at the video. Innovation EMA 4X, there it goes, and that's it.